just pulled up. Another rainy, crappy day. We'll see what the boys got going on.
It's a lovely day in the neighborhood. Friendly outdoor living experts on the scene. Greg running the machine. Got a new pool, even though we're some old fools. We're gonna get it done right. We gotta excavate all this dirt out of here. We gotta tear down this wall.
Tear down this wall.
We're gonna add that to these couple of skids of wall material that were torn down. We're gonna save that and reuse it. We got a master mason coming in and gonna put this back together for us, with us, I should say. So all that stone's ready and stacked, and we got to get all that stuff back there stacked. And then we're gonna probably most likely have to tear down this corner wall here and this lovely tree that's well behind it. And we're gonna come around here. We're gonna take up all this old flagstone that the owners would like to reuse that on another part of the property. We're adding another tread here, and then we're gonna make this whole patio in here and patio over here with a new wall built in behind it. And then this is all yard over here and a lovely spa area in the middle. And Integrity has done a great job with another pool that they have poured. Yeah, can't wait to see how this one turns out here in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Beautiful home, beautiful day, beautiful project. Here we go.
Don't know if you're gonna hear me over the sound. Greg with the tamper. But tamping in our sub base, getting ready for the pavers, etc. We got some concrete coming in today for these footers for our walls, getting all that ready for our nice patio. Cherry blossoms coming down on my face. Out here in beautiful Lancaster, Pennsylvania, a little job site update. So we ran into a footer wall over here that needs to be broken up and dug up out of there so we can do a future patio over here once this one's done. I know it's a little backwards there, but that's the way that this job worked out. So we're gonna do some digging over here today and break that out and to regrade this a little bit. Got to get some stone out of here. It's a little high, and we'll get our levels ready for screeding and rice. And then over yonder here on the dirt side, we're gonna be grass. We've got a gas line that needs covered, electric line that needs covered, so we're gonna throw some stone dust on that, fill her back in with these beautiful piles of dirt, and we'll have access on this side then to do what we need to do. So a lot of base work today, groundwork, but that's what we do. Alright, been a few days since I've been out here, but checking up on the progress. Got the concrete walling over there, wherever it is, somewhere around there, and just getting started on the patio today. Looking crispy. Good morning, CE Pontz here at a new job that we've been on for, a couple of weeks worth of work, and we're at this point. So we've got everything laid over here, screeded to here, and we're gonna finish screeding out to this edge here where the patio ends. Mason's gonna be in tomorrow, and he's gonna finish the wall all the way around to the stairs. Excuse me for the stutter. You got landscape, grass, arbs, all going in along this side for some privacy. And yeah, this job's coming along real well.
Got a nice little sandwich over there. Oranges.
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Can't wait.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Hey!